campervanning is a fantastic way to visit more of the areas surrounding your permanent base, travel more conveniently, and make every weekend an experience. Even if it isn't a permanent mobile home, it can function as a long-term solution with the correct campervan conversion. In the UK, where travelers would prefer to forego one or two creature comforts in favor of a vehicle that functions as a daily driver, is easily maneuverable even on narrow city streets, and can offer full stealth mode where other RV solutions would stand out like a sore thumb, compact Volkswagen or Ford Transit-based campervan conversions are fairly common. However, even by these criteria, Rolling Homes Construction stands out. Since Rolling Homes is one of the few licensed VW converters, all of their conversions undergo extensive testing and certification prior to being put on the road. Custom, residential-style interiors help seal the deal, and it offers an additional element of safety and dependability. There's nothing wrong with DIY, do-it-yourself, construction or conversions from unknown builders on the used market, but there are some things in life you shouldn't take a chance on. Road safety is one of them, according to Rolling Homes. One glance at the 2026 model will reveal that this particular specialist's most popular model is the Columbus conversion. Now available on the new VW T7 chassis, it's a four-person moving home, with greater comfort, style that can compete with even larger RVs, and a small but roomy galley. Both the short and extended wheelbase versions of the T7 are available for the Columbus. For example, the unit shown in the video below is on the short base, meaning it is only 5.05 meters, 16.5 feet, long and 2.02 meters, 6.6 feet, wide, but it still has 4 berths because of the bed in the pop-up roof, and it can carry a payload of roughly 425 kilograms, 937 pounds.